Hello friends, I'm Miss Poonam Rakibe. I'm teacher by profession. I work as an assistant professor in PS Modern College of Engineering, Pune. To avoid coronavirus infections, we all are instructed to stay at home, don't know for how long. As I cannot conduct lectures, I thought of sharing some study material or assignments online with my students through LMS platform. LMS is Learning Management System. By the way, I'm using Screencast-O-Matic free version for recording this video. So let's talk about Google Classroom, that is LMS platform. So I'll tell you how to actually create Google Classroom so that using Google Classroom you can share your material, study material, your PPTs, your assignments with your students. So to create Google Classroom you should have your Google account first. I already have my Google account. So using this Google account, you can create your Google Classroom. If you will see the screen on right hand side corner, you can see one icon like this which is of Google Apps. Click onto it. You will see all the Google apps which are provided by Google. So you can see the list of it. Scroll down. You will see a Google app like this which is called Classroom. Click onto that Google app. You will see a dashboard like this which is of Google Classroom. Now if you're creating it for the first time, there will be nothing on this Google Classroom dashboard, but as I have created two classrooms, they are actually appearing on my dashboard. So if you're creating it for the first time, you will see the clear Google Classroom dashboard. Now on right hand side corner you will see a plus icon like this. You'll have to click onto it. You'll get two options for the same: join class and create class. As I want to create a class, I'll click on to create class. Now it will ask for some permissions. I'm giving all the permissions and clicking on to continue. Now it is asking me to create a class. Some details it is asking me to enter. So the first one is class name. I'll call it as test 1. Section is for the class for which you want to create. Like say suppose I'm creating it for second year students. So second year of engineering. I can give name of the subject. I'm giving SUB1. That's it. And you can then click on to create. My internet speed is quite slow, so it is taking much time, I guess. Yeah. You can see test 1 class is created and it is for SE students. It is now appearing here. Now if you will see here, class code and some code is given. So this is the code which I'll have to share with my students so that using this code they can actually join my class. Now there are 2 to 3 things which I want to share with you. First one is stream. Whatever I am going to communicate with my class will be appeared here or will be appearing here. The second thing is class work, which I want to share or which I want to assign to students. Third one is people. In this people tab you can see teachers and students. So as I have created this classroom, my name is appearing there. So teacher is my name is appearing. And if I want all the students of my class to join this class, I am again having two options. First one, in the student tab, I can click here. This is for inviting the students. I can manually add students. I can manually add email IDs like this, and then I can click on to invite so that a request or an invite will go to that particular student and he or she can join the class. or else I can share this code with my student so that they'll sign into their Gmail account, will go to the classroom, and instead of creating class like this, I want to tell you how they will join the class. Instead of creating class, they'll click join class here and they'll type the code or they'll paste the code here and they'll click on to join, so that automatically they'll be joined to my class. So I was talking how to share the material, right? So I'll have to click on to classwork, then I will click on to create. I can share different types of material here. I can give assignment, I can give quiz assignment, I can give questions to them, I can give material to them. I'm going to tell you how to share the material. So I'll click on to material. Say suppose I want to share some PPT. So I'll give PPT of lesson 4 and I can write the description, which is optional. This PPT covers all the topics from lesson 4. So this description is optional. Title is essential. So you will have to give title. Now click on to add. Now if you have already created a file and which is stored somewhere, you can click on to file. And you can drag the file here or you can select file from your device. My connection is quite slow, so it is taking much time, I guess. So you can browse from here. Say suppose my PPT is this. I'll select the PPT or the file of PPT and it will be appearing over here. You can see the file and then you can upload it. See, this is uploaded. Now this is for all students, so you'll have to select all. Class is test 1 SE. Topic you can give and you can post. Now what you'll have to do is you'll have to give this code to your student so that they'll paste the code while joining the class, and all the students who have already joined the class will be listed over here. Now in this way you can give different things to students so that they can read at home, they can study at home, and there will be no wastage of their and your time. This video is created for my fellow colleagues so that they can also use the same thing.